Hello friends, myself Partha, hosting for our channel Computer Technologies. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to ink floss in Canon g3010 printer, g3010 printer. The printer is in ready condition. You can see this is the Canon G2010 model. First we have to see what is the problem. So when we put some image to copy or Xerox, let's start. Color Xerox. When we Xerox any matter, the color will missing. You can see the Xerox is coming out. The color is missing. So you can see the color. This is the original color. You can see this is the original color where the Xerox colors are missing. You can see the difference. It is due to the ink is not flowing in the pipe system. You can see this black ink. You can see black ink, black, yellow, and pink is missing. So you have to just do it a ink floss through printer command. Let's start. First close the printer. Then push the setting button one time. Then plus button 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you have to just any start button. Either it is black or color. And start. The ink plus will start. It will consume heavy ink. You can also stop the process in the middle by disconnect the power cord. By that the ink consumption will quite reduce, but this is not the way. You have to just properly fill the ink tank, then you just do this process because it consumes heavy ink. So I have advised you to close the process in the middle if you power disconnect the power cable. Now you can, I am going to show you the ink are crossing. You can see the ink are flowing. It will take up to 10 minutes. You can also close it. I have not advised to refer you, but it's quite complicated if you close the printer in the middle of the operation. So please let's do the operation completely. You can see the printer is in process. It's ink flossing now. You can close it middle. It will take up to 10 minutes to do this same process. So be patient.